Now before we upload a new image, I'm going to show you how to create something in Paint. Paint is a program you should have on your computer under Accessories. Find Accessories and then Paint. And if you don't have it, you'll be able to find the link for that in the PowerSharing Resources Guide. It's free to download and use to create images. Let me lower this so we can see it. So let's go find an image. Click File and Open. I'm going to go to our AA files, the Images folder, and add this image that I already have in my folder. Now this image of a glass piano is actually obtained from a website, and I contacted the person and they gave me permission to use it without attribution. Right now I want to fill this white space with some color. Just some light color in the background. I'm going to choose something that shows more like this purple, possibly a reddish tinge, very light. Click OK, and then I'm going to choose this paint can which says fill with color. Okay, and bring it over here, and then I'm going to create text on top of this. I'm going to go click colors again and click black because the text that I want to be in black. And we click the A box for text. Now if you want to create an area to add text like this, but you want the background to show through, you need to come over here and tap this bottom box. And when you create a text area, you'll also find this, let me bring it down here, this box that allows you to choose a different font, and you can select a size. We're going to go with 18, and I don't want it to be bold. And click inside the box, and now I need to find the text that I want to use. Now this is something I created myself, but in the PowerSharing Resources Guide I have several links to places where you can get interesting dates in history and quotable quotes and things like that that you can use and create images. So let's just paste that in there. I think we can make this one size larger and bring this over here. Yeah, that's good. Now let's take the next section, go and get that. This is the part I want. Copy that, put it in here. And the reason I'm doing this piecemeal is because if you wanted a portion to be bolded, the whole thing would end up being bolded. All I want to do is bold one single line. Don't be a glass ornament. Copy that, put it in there. Now, if you want to move that down a little bit, first we'll make it bold. I don't want to make it any larger. But you have to take this, you have to find this bottom tab, and you'll find one right in the middle at the top, and you can bring that down and place it better. Position it better. Now once you click outside the box, it's finished unless you go to Edit and click Undo, and then you can do it over again. And then finally we want to add the link. Now this link is to a resource I've created called Tag My Gig. Let's make that larger, maybe 28, and we'll leave it bold. And I want to position that down just a little bit more. And probably move it over and give it one space. And there's that. I could have made this a different color. We'll leave it all black. Right now we're going to save this as a picture file, and I'm going to name it Glass Piano 1 so that I'm saving the original Glass Piano image in case I want to do anything over again. We'll just call it Glass Piano 1 and save that. Now, if you want to get more information and more training, join me in Google Freedive. That's my G+ account, and we'll learn many more things about working online using G+ and Facebook and all the social networks, and how to create images and feature your art or your business, and also how to offer your services to business owners who already know the power of using images for their promotions and help them engage their audiences. I look forward to seeing you there. You'll find the link in the PowerSharing Resources Guide.